Hello everyone, I'm Sneh Mehra and I'm here to take your visual arts session, which is part of GrainEd Multiverse camp. My session is going to be about art, ways of seeing a particular work of art and looking and perceiving it without any prejudice. I will be also talking about renowned artworks like this one on your screen. It's Mona Lisa by Vinci. And this one, a work by Picasso. To a conceptual art like this, to a action painting by Pollock, and in Indian art, Sachi Stupa, to a contemporary artwork like this. This session will provide you the knowledge to read a particular work of art in an exhibition, museum walkthroughs, and art shows. So let's get started on 15th April. See you there.